Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to operate Binance Account Easy Guide. First, open the Binance website or app and tap Sign Up, then enter your email and create a strong password. Verify your email and proceed to identity verification by uploading a clear photo ID and a selfie. Finally, enable two-factor authentication using an authenticator app for added security before you start trading or depositing funds. To fund your Binance account, choose Deposit, then pick fiat or crypto and follow the prompts. For fiat, link a bank or add a debit card and confirm small verification transfers. For crypto, select the coin, copy the exact wallet address, and choose the right network to avoid loss. Always check deposit minimums and estimated network fees before sending funds so your transfers arrive safely and promptly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for clear sound and hands-free control that pairs nicely with trading alerts. Check the description for the link and other deals to learn more about this product. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. When you start trading on Binance, explore the convert tool for easy swaps or use spot trading for more control. Choose market orders for instant fills or limit orders to set your target price. Remember to set stop loss and take profit orders to protect gains and limit losses. Review fees, double-check coin symbols, and start with small amounts until you feel confident with the interface and order types.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.